Good evening, friends. In the MBGVRS Coaching Institute today, on the occasion of Father's Day, I have selected one song that is Ninnanta Appa Illa from the movie Devata Manushya. This is a very well picturized song, a song between father and daughter. Kannadigas will know this song definitely. So non-Kannadigas also can watch this song on YouTube. And lyrics is written by Sri Chi Vijay Shankar sir, and music is by Sri Upendra Kumar sir, and it is sung by B.R. Chaya madam and Dr. Rajkumar sir. So I'll talk more about Father's Day once I finish this song. So this is male voice and female voice. There is daughter and father singing. I'll try to sing. I'll try to sing solo both the voices. If you watch the video, you will get to know the meaning. ನಿನ್ನಂತ ಅಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆಹಾ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಾತು ಬೆಲ್ಲ, ಓಹೋ ನಿನ್ನಂತ ಅಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆಹಾ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಾತು ಬೆಲ್ಲ, ನೀನೆ ನನ್ನ ಜೀವ, ನೀನೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣ, ಯಾವ ದೇವ ತಂದವರವೋ ಇನ್ನು ನಾನು ಅರಿಯನು, ನಿನ್ನಂತ ಮಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆಹಾ ಬಾಳಲಿ ನೀನೇ ಎಲ್ಲ, ಓಹೋ ನಿನ್ನಂತ ಮಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಾ ಬಾಳಲಿ ನೀನೇ ಎಲ್ಲ, ನಿನ್ನ ಕಂಡ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೆಳಕ ಕಂಡೆ ಬಾಲೆ, ಯಾವ ದೇವ ತಂದವರು ಇನ್ನು ನಾನು ಅರಿಯನು, ನಿನ್ನಂತ ಅಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿನ್ನಂತ ಮಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀ ಹೀಗೆ ನಡೆಯಲು ನಡು ಹೀಗೆ ಕುಣಿಸಲು, 18 ವಯಸ್ಸಿನ ಹುಡುಗನ ಹಾಗಿದೆ, ಹೇ ನೀ ಹೀಗೆ ನಗುತ್ತಿರೆ, ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಿರೆ, ಆನಂದ ತರುತ್ತಿರೆ ಹುಡುಗನೇ ಎಂದಿಗೂ, ರಂಪಂ ರಪಂ ಪರಂ 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 ಪಂ ರಂ ರಂಪಂ ರಪಂ ಪರಂ 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 ಪಂ, ನಿನ್ನಂತ ಅಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿನ್ನಂತ ಮಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮಾತಿನ ಮೋಡಿಗೆ ನಿನ್ನಾಣೆ ನಾನು ಬೆಚ್ಚಿದೆ, ನಿನ್ನಂತ ಮಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿನ್ನಂತ ಅಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಂತೋಷವೆಂದರೆ ಉಲ್ಲಾಸವೆಂದರೆ ಸಂಗೀತವೆಂದರೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ನಡೆದರೆ, ಮುದ್ದಾದ ಮಾತನು ಹಿತವಾದ ರಾಗದಿ, ಹಾನವೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾರಲು ದಿನವೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಡಲು, ಹೀಗೆ ನೀ ಅರಿತೆಯೋ, ರಂಪಂ ರಹಂ ಪರಂ 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 ಪಂ ರಪಂ ಪರಂ 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 ಪಂ, ನನ್ನ ಈ ಅರಗಿಣಿ ಮಾತಾಡೆ ನೋಡಿ ಕಲಿತೆನು, ನಿನ್ನಂತ ಅಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿನ್ನಂತ ಮಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿನ್ನಂತ ಅಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿನ್ನಂತ ಮಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿನ್ನಂತ ಅಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿನ್ನಂತ ಮಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲ. So this song, who have not watched the song, this is just conversation between father and daughter. So daughter is saying that there is no person in this world like you, there is no father in this world like you, whatever you speak is like jaggery, and you are my life. You are my life, and you are the blessing of God. I don't know which blessing you have. You are in my life as father. And the father replies, there is no daughter in this world like you. For me in life, everything is you. After I saw you, I saw the light, and I don't know which God has blessed me. You are in my life. And now the next stanza, just the daughter is kidding her father. For her father, if you shake your if you dance like this, you are looking like young boy. So the father replies, if you are smiling, if you are smiling like this, then and you are with me always, then bringing me happiness. I will be like a boy. I will be like a young boy always. The father says, "This is true, no? The spirit the children give, the children success give, and children respecting their parents give. Nothing else parents want. So this is nice. And this rampam that was very famous when I was very young. Maybe this when this movie was released, I was not born, but it was playing in Chitramanjari. So that was that I remember very much. And the father is saying that daughter is saying that the way you speak, really I am surprised. And the father is replying that for me happiness is or music in my life is if you are with me, if you are walking with me. The daughter is saying that the sweet words with good music. I'll sing the whole day. How do you know that? She is asking father. That's why the father is replying that my parrot, Aragini they are saying. Aragini is parrot. I don't know what to say in English. Aragini speaks, so I have learned from you. That's what father says. So this is nice conversation, healthy conversation between father and daughter. So the happiness everybody will have. Parents, I don't have to talk much about father or parents. Everybody will have special bonding with. Everybody will have special bonding with parents. Parents are, what I feel is, parents are the hidden treasure which we don't realize until we lose them. Once lost, we can never get them back. So we should value them when they are alive, and get maximum benefit from them for life, not in a